Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. So glad you're here. I'm going to be doing a different kind of pour today. I have some, shockingly, pearl mix, and I'm going to be using some of the Prizm pours that I have had my hands on for quite a while. These are the original ones. And this is chrysacolla, and this is Chantilly lace. I have two Colourarte primary elements. One is firefly. The other one is Northern Lights. And I've mixed them up with just water and another tube paint. And I think the tube paint I used for this was, what the heck did I put in here? I can't even remember. Oh well. I'll put it on the screen when I edit. I use the Color Shift in White Flash to use with the Chantilly lace. And here is the chrysacolla, and this is mixed with a little bit of Amsterdam greenish blue. So let's get started. I have my pearl mix. I'm going to flip my canvas as soon as I get the bug off of it. There we go. We've had moths tonight, oh my gosh. Cathy is still here. We're having the time of our lives. Want to say hi, Cathy?
Hello, everybody.
A star is born. Her pearl pour last night was absolutely fabulous. I've never seen anything like it. And excellent student, excellent friend. We've been having so much fun painting our you-know-what's off. And just going to tilt this paint out just like I would a normal pearl pour. I need more. There we go. This is an 11 by 14 gallery wrapped level 2 canvas. I was thinking about using this on a 24 by 24, but I wanted to start small first. And basically I'm going to be doing some fractal art tonight. Colourarte has, especially the Prizm pours, the old Prizm pours have the ability to fractal quite nicely. And they also bleed out a little bit, so the effects you get are just amazing. All right, I've got everything covered. I'm straight, I think. Let me see if whoops, I've got enough paint off. Prop failure. It never fails. There's always something. Oh my gosh. I swear, I can't get through one video without some kind of mishap, but that's fine. Nobody got injured on that one, so there we go. All right, so I'm gonna start. Ooh. I'm kind of nervous about this, but I'm not. I did a test tile, and I will actually show you the test tile. And I'm going to try to replicate something like that, but maybe even hope for a little bit more fractals. The other one I did, oh, it's almost drying. It looks like the tree of life. So it's the fractals I'm kind of going for, but I liked the soft effect it created too. So I am going to start with some of this, which is the chrysacolla. And this is the one that really fractals nicely. Then I'm going to put down some of the Northern Lights. Then I'm going to put down some of the Firefly. And then to top it all off, we're going to put down, this is way too much paint again, some of the Chantilly lace. All right, here we go. It has a beautiful color shift, all of these colors. I got something in there. There we go, it's gone. We're hoping for some pearls and lots of fractals, I hope. Leave it, guys, just like this, and I'm going to put it on fast time lapse, and then Cathy and I are going to chat. Hey guys, so this is very interesting. I love the color blending, and I'm going to do another one with more of just this color. I'm going to separate the colors anyways. Yeah, I'm kind of digging this. This is spectacular. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I think I'm going to do another one. A little bit bigger this time. It's beautiful shimmer and shine. And it's really hard in this light, but it has a color shift to it. Really hard to see. Oh, look at that. That is the Chantilly lace. And then I added these in here, which I'm glad I did, because it really fractaled out nice. So I was gonna go to bed and I'm like, no, I want to make another. So I'm gonna make another. I am doing another fractal pour with the Colourarte Prizm pour, and this is the original version in chrysacolla, and I put a little bit of Amsterdam greenish blue in here and some water. And I also have, this is TLP in Blue Eyes, and they're both mixed very, very thin. So I'm going to use my Pearl Pour mix, which I will leave in the description, the recipe. So we're just gonna, this is a 12 by 16 gallery wrapped level 3 from Hobby Lobby. On sale, of course, half off. I'm just gonna tilt this paint off. Whoa, Wilbur, that came down quick. Well, at least we know it's thin enough. You always want your paints to be really thin for the pearl pours. This might not necessarily be a pearl pour, it might be just a fractal pour, but I think when I did a test tile of it, I ended up with lots of pearls too. Well, not lots, but some. I just like the halo effect it gives. Hello, bug. Ciao for now. Poor thing. All right, it's very, very late. Don't even know what time it is. Oh, it's 3:30 in the morning. But that's when I, oopsie, tend to work best. I'm going to do a vertical tilt. Tilt it one way and then bring it back. Make sure you've got enough paint off. It's very thin paint, but you have to have a very thin coat on here to get the effects that you want. Sorry guys. You're not missing much. Okay, let me go back this way. All right, I'm going to put the TLP down first, the blue eyes. And then I want to get a lot of fractals, so I want to try and keep this a little separate, but a little. There we go. All right, let's see how this works. See, it's already starting to react. And off we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Gotta make sure we get enough paint off. Liking what I've seen so far. Oh, this is gonna be so sweet. Oh. Oh. I like all these tendrils that are happening. I'm sorry if I can't see it, guys, when I'm tilting, but once I bring it back, you'll see what I'm talking about. Because those are going to create a lot of fractals. And that's what I'm looking for on this piece. I might get some, yeah, actually I am getting some pearls. The tendril, or the fractals is what I was really looking for, so. All right, I think I'm done moving it. And there's Mr. Bug, back again. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. And I might play around with this one, I'm not sure. But let's get Mr. Bug out. Where did he go? Did he hop away? There he is. Shoot. Oops. Sorry, pal. You drowned. Wow. Can't believe this painting. All right, I'm not sure if I'm going to play with it or not. I'm not sure if I'm going to add to it or not. I am getting some pearl cells here. And the blue eyes is, oh my gosh, it's really pretty. It's kind of blending into it. All right, I'm going to put you on time lapse. love the fractals. I love the shimmer and shine. And kind of monochromatic, that's what I was kind of going for. Even though there's two colors in here, they're pretty much the same family here. But yeah, I got just a few pearls, which I wasn't really going for pearls, I was going for fractals, which bingo. And then I added a couple of these little guys on the bottom, but that's all au naturel. Holy cow. Yeah. That's the chrysacolla mixed with the Amsterdam greenish blue. And they look like feathers here. And then I put these little guys in and they really took off. Especially once I put the TLP blue eyes in, it just, wow. It just, wow. So, love to know what you guys think of this. I like different. Different is good. I did one of these a long time ago, and it sold immediately. But it's, yeah, it's fun. I like it. I love it. I need to make more of them. So this is with the chrysacolla is the old version of Prizm Pour. And here we go. Stayed up late for this one. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now.